Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Breaking news bafethu, Cedric Keza i-coach e-Kaizer Chiefs iconfirmile bafethu ukuthi uCheslete beka-experience enye injury futhi bafethu. Bathi for 2 weeks bekangekho ejimini or bekangasi part of i-team i-Kaizer Chiefs, but he only came back about a week and few days ago eqala ukujima ne-team yet again. I mean, this shows ukuthi obviously Ethan Cheslete, I think manje injury number 4 if not 5 since efikile ku-Kaizer Chiefs mengwabala wonke, because I remember meqeda ukufika kwakunenkinga wadelay izinto lezi zama-paperwork, and then after lokho into yamdelaya i-injury, and then waba ne-flu, yena le flu yambamba yena no-Shinga, then after lokho kwaba ne-injury. I think kwaba ne-injury futhi njengoba sekune-injury enye futhi manje kusho ukuthi i-injury number bani bafethu le. Ethan Cheslete, I remember ngikhuluma naye nomunye ubhuti la efonini sikhuluma indaba yokuthi Ethan Cheslete for mina ezunkulu bengithi I don't think ready for a physique of a South African game, because ngeke ngambona lapha ejimini ngambona ukuthi okay akekho strong enough in terms of a physique, and no bhuti was like to me kumele baloke bamzama especially kuma games until aze aqine, but mombukela is not that strong. Go watch ama-clip wakhe even lapha eNetherlands. I remember ku-Chiefs lapha ejimini bamthinta ngambona alele isikhathi ngabona ukuthi yeah, I think he's gonna struggle because of i-contact sport lena, and then kule position bekayidlala lena e-England bafethu they would allow him to do izinto, but-ke manje la e-South Africa ama-players are close, like they don't give you a chance to breathe, yabo. So simfisela inhlanhla u-Ethan Cheslete, but you can't plan around the players be-injured kawu-4 if not 5, umuntu azange abe available kawu-5, kube nama-delays since afikile, but ukujima isikhathi esiningi kusho ukuthi ulokuphazamiseka kwakhe, because once waba once you get injured kuthatha isikhathi ukuthi ubuyele ube full fit, and i-team izoplana kanjani ngomuntu esebe-injured kawu-12 bafethu. No, sengithi kawu-12 man, no, kawu-4 in space of what, couple of months, couple of weeks. But obviously there were times la bebangam-introduce khona, but they decided not to introduce Ethan Cheslete. But more planner for i-team, you can't plan around abantu abalimele. Ngiyazi ukuthi ama-fans isikhathi esiningi afuna ukumbona Ethan Cheslete, but at the same time we can question lama-injuries wa-Ethan Cheslete. Even the last time sawa-question sathi i-media meyilaphana ku-Chiefs imbona njalo Ethan Cheslete ejima, we get surprised mekuphuma iy'ndaba zokuthi u-injured. Is this the same thing lesike sayizwa before kuthiwa injured because of bazama ukumprotecta na, or injured beka-injured ngempela? Because manje bathi ulimele but bathi sebuyile just before, njengoba sebabonwa i-media for the first time i-conference because of bebahambile bayelena for the first time in a week or so because bebayelena e-Egypt, bathi umfana ulimele. Let's hope ulimele ngempela or belimele njengoba bathi manje sebuyile. Usho ukuthi ama-injuries wakhe akusukuthinteka lokho serious, but-ke ubuyile, and ucoach uthe we hope he will be physically ready in the next few days. Usho ukuthi njengoba bathi unabo ma-10 days ebuyile, usho ukuthi kuthatha let's say 2 to 3 weeks ukuthi recover back in full, abe fully fit, meaning that for the past couple of weeks beba injured in between, kumele ajime let's say a week ukuthi abe right, and then ajime futhi ezinye insuku ukuthi abe fully fit. Asazi ukuthi babhalansa kanjani laphana ku-Chiefs bafethu, but yeah, indaba ezingekho right for yena Ethan Cheslete because uze la uzodlala ibhola, but-ke ama-injured, ukuba injured, ukulimala kwakhe yiko kumdelaya kakhulu bafethu. So indaba ka-Cheslete ngizoyivala la bafethu. Kumethi ucoach uthi yena ngeke akwazi ukukhuluma ngawo wonke ama-players ama-individuals, but-ke uthe uzokhuluma nje ngale injured ka-Ethan Cheslete because of uyazi ukuthi i-media ibuza ngaye kakhulu, iyazibuza ukuthi hayibo lo muntu lona njalo yena akekho akana chance yokudlala laphana ku-Chiefs. Ama-teammates wakhe aba available amaningi, but yena akabi available at all, noma available but abamselect. But at the same time I would say i-media iyabuza ngo-Ethan Cheslete, but-ke ukuba injured kwa-Ethan Cheslete noma lento le abasitshela yona ayi-affect i-team because vele umuntu abangana-plan ngaye at the moment. Let's hope ngeke se-experience lento le ukuthi kunomdlalo ongeke adlale isizini yonke. Sikhumbule ukuthi akusiwuye kuphela orecovayo laphana ku-injury noma oku-injured. uDotley akakabi available, and aso yazi lezi zinto lezi za-online bafethu lezi zokuthi bonke abantu bayarepota ngebhola bathi hey uDotley u-fully fit. Ngizibonile lezi zinto kuma-pages amaningi or kubantu abaningi bathi u-fully fit uzodlala, and I kept saying ukuthi uDotli obvious inkinga yakhe idolo. Asazi ukuthi manje sombona nini uDotli bafethu. Kudala besithembisa laphana ku-Chiefs bathi uzoba khona, uzoba khona, uzoba khona. Futhi uCedric Keza mina mangimbukele bafethu ngamlalela kahle methi uDotli uzoba khona phakathi I think mid after i-FIFA break but azange abe khona. Kusho ukuthi le dolo lakhe liba serious. uNtwari sikhulumile ngaye-ke nawe ulimele. Eden McCarthy lo besingazi-ke nokuthi u-injured but-ke manje sesiyazi ukuthi the reason bekangatravelanga azange atravele ne-team lena ukuya e-Egypt ukuthi bekalimele and ukulimala kwesi-2 kwakhe Eden McCarthy sikhumbule ukuthi walimala kuleya match leya ashaya i-tackle asisakhumbula ukuthi bebadlala nani i-third game of the season laphana ku-league bafethu kula wathinteka khona Eden McCarthy and then waqala lapho-ke ukuphazamiseka because of first 2 games yakhe wayedlala kahle kakhulu 2 men of the match and then kuleya game leya walimala was out wa-recover from i-injury a week or so maybe immediately kwi-injury wasacrifice-iwa uKwinika I remember and then wangena and then he didn't have a good game bagcine sebemreplace maybe confidence yakhe took a knock lapho bafethu so yeah ama-injuries maningi kakhulu ngiyakhumbula I think last time ngakhawunta ama-injuries a-different ayi-15 laphana ku-Chiefs 15 different injuries in a short space of time and I remember ngize ngithi ayikho i-team experience ama-injuries njenge-Chiefs but abantu amanye ama-team aba-injured nabo ama-player aba-injured but qeda uqala isizini bafethu siyazi ukuthi every team yayo iya-experience ama-players a-injured but ma-injuries angaka sithemba ukuthi bazoba right kusho ukuthi-ke okay Eden McCarthy ulimele ejimini uNtwari ulimele ejimini or ulimele kuphi asazi but akalimelanga egemini uNtwari unless if uyilimalele ku-international duty which is eRwanda but naleya game leya yagcina ukuyidlala eRwanda uvimbe yonke uLilepo uke wathinteka I think uLilepo wathinteka kawu-2 and then baloke bayi-ignore lento yakhe because of yena u-strong uyakwazi ukukhompitha bafethu umuntu o-powerful ngempela o-strong futhi so kusho ukuthi mebethi manje u-out kusho ukuthi lento yakhe uthinteke ngempela but-ke usobona then omunye umuntu abajabule kakhulu ku-Welcome Back obviously bafethu uKhanyisa Mayo ukuthi u-right yena is cleared ukuthi adlale nelokhu njani nezamaleki sobona ukuthi yeah uzomisa kanjani but yeah what a game they're gonna play we'll see ukuthi bazoshape kanjani ethi singeneni kwezinye futhi captain eKaizer Chiefs bafethu uPeterson Brandon Peterson uthe kubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi bathole i-3 point noma bayishaye izamaleke bafethu uthi akafuni ukuthi esibame for i-last minute so manje abantu sokumele basebenzise ama-calculator lana uchaza ukuthi sokumele manje kubala ukuthi ubani banoshaya bani bona bashaya bani bona kumele bazenzele umsebenzi lana ekhaya so i-3 points against izamaleke ibalulekile uthi njengoba badlala ekhaya so ku-crucial njengoba i-competition sase-early kanjena ukuthi ba-collect ama-point ukuthi bangawari ngokuthi kulama game lawo okugcina we-competition bafethu ukuthi bazoqualifya based on ukuthi ubani uyaluza sibani bani akawini so zonke lezo zinto lezo kumele babheke but-ke the easiest way well it's not the easiest as they say but you have to win all your home games at the same time i-Al-Masry seyiwinile away i-1 game yabo bawine home bawine away kusho ukuthi i-Chiefs kumele iwine wonke 3 games at home bawine negame eyodwa away ukuthi babe ne-chance yokuthi ba-progress to the next stage of the competition which is not gonna be easy but yeah they have a team engalo bafethu Ethan Cheslet mfethu ayithina sikufisela inhlanhla njengoba bengishilo bafethu ukuthi u-recover so uGustin Sirino njengoba ebuyile obviously-ke bamentionile laphana ku-conference bafethu ukuthi ubuyile nanokuthi bajabule kangakanani ukuthi uGustin Sirino umuntu one-experience kangaka bafethu ukuthi ubuyile uzobasiza kusho i-coach e-Chiefs ukuthi i-experience yabo njengoba uGustin Sirino wadlala ku-Champions League before wa-contribute kakhulu previous teams or ku-stage lesi esikuso manje in terms of ku-continental football so they welcoming him back I think even if akaqali igame uGaston siyazi ukuthi uma second half isikhathi esiningi uyangena mfowethu sobona ukuthi uzosiza kanjani nanokuthi uzoyilwela kanjani i-team laphana Peterson vele undisputed number 1 for i-Chiefs I don't think uvuma uzomchallenger umfowethu laphana Peterson I don't think uzomchallenger Peterson has really raised the bar so high that it's gonna be nearly impossible for even uVuma mewemnika i-opportunity laphana ukuthi adlale ukuthi akwazi ukuhandlela ilokhunjana bafethu I mean ukumitha i-standard saka-Peterson asisethile this season ama-clean sheets angaka bafethu, I think close to 10 if not 10 or more lapho nje, if not 11 masibala ama-cup games or i-CAF Confederations Cup because of away nase-home. Yeah, masibala I think boma-9 or so ama-clean sheet wakhe mesewa wonke. So uVuma uzosimitha kanjani le standard lezi. I even saw nalama game lawa ku-Chiefs bebawadlala behind closed doors bafethu, kuthiwa cause uya-consider still uVuma mebamnika i-opportunity even nalaphana ku-third against ama-teams wako-third division or kuma-friendly games uya-consider isikhathi esiningi. Wena uzo-consider 1 or uzo-consider ngakhi, but uzo-consider, whereas mesibheka laphana uPeterson akaka-concede kakhulu. For me, I wouldn't start Umayo, to be honest. Umayo uqeda ukubuya ku-injury, I wouldn't start him at all. But we've seen this thing from ama-Kaizer Chiefs coach, umuntu mebuya ku-injury bafethu bamqalisa i-game immediately. Lokho ku-affect i-team bafethu namanye ama-players laphana ethimini, to be honest. Lento bayenze kubani uMcCarthy waya ku-injury, me-recover ku-injury bambuyisa same time. Then there's this other player ubani uNacho Miguel naye waba ku-injury, and then immediately mebuya ku-injury ba-replace bamfaka immediately. So I think Umayo has to work his way up bafethu. Angaveli nje abe ku-first starting lineup after isikhashana ephumile laphana egamini noma engadlali, because amanye ama-player they were there, they were fighting, but I wouldn't be surprised. Why? Because of those players they are not scoring goals for the past few games. They've struggled to score goals. So I would, as much as I don't support it, lento leyo ukuthi wafethu aqale Umayo immediately mebuya ku-injury, but amajita awadlali laphana bafethu, awadlali at all. So sothini Umayo meqala igame, sothini ngempela. So yeah, we'll see. It's a game of the highest caliber, badinga ama-player ane-experience njengoba behlezi besho ucoach ukuthi njengoba ukhulumile ngo-Gaston Sireni or amanye ama-player azoba ne-experience, nale complain yabo le bafethu sibuya kuyo ukuthi 80% beqamba amanga ucoach uChiefs ukuthi i-80% ayikho laphana, noma i-80% ayinawo i-experience bafethu yokudlala ku-continental level. But akudingeki, to be fair, lezi zinto zama-experience bafethu awudingi ukuthi udlale ibhola, sibeni honest bafethu, awudingi at all izinto ze-experience. It's just on the day ukuthi ama-players laphana abe-focus, akwazi ukudlala, akwazi ukudeliver. Umuntu omisele uye o-deserve i-chance yokuthi bafethu adlale, hhayi lento leyo ukuthi kuzocomplain-iwa ngokuthi usibanibani akanayo experience or amanye ama-player awanayo experience, so akumele kuqale obani. No, dlalisa noma akudlale ama-player a-ready ukudlala bafethu, mentally afithi, and ama-complaints awangabi khona ukuthi bazo-complain-a after i-game bathi hey experience or kanjani. No, they have to like dlalisa ama-player ocabanga ukuthi ayadeserve ukudlala, njengoba bengishilo ukuthi i-strength siyadingeka, ama-player akwaziyo ukulwa ane-physic, because of kuzoba i-physical game of the highest order. Siyazi ukuthi i-physical game of the highest order. iZamalek ize la eSouth Africa ukuzothola i-draw, if izokwazi-ke ukuthola iwini, if izokwazi ukuthola iwini, that would be a bonus iZamalek, but I don't think iZamalek izoshaya i-Chiefs lana at home. I think the worst results for i-Chiefs would be i-draw. They know that they have to win i-game bafethu. Ngicela ukuyibamba lana bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike ni-subscribe, making sure ukuthi i-page liyakhula. But no, let me go to ama-comment wenu before ngivala, ngibone ukuthi abantu bathini. Obviously sikhulume ngo-De amanye ama-play, okay, abanye abantu baya-complain-a laphana bethi i-Chiefs iyamdinga noma lise iyabadinga, iyamdinga umdlali ofana no-De because of umdlali o-proven lise ebholeni lase-South Africa ukuthi uyakwazi ukuperforma on the highest level. Sikhumbule ukuthi uDe udlalela ama-team amancane kuphela ebholeni lase-South Africa, but is a proven goal scorer already. That is why maybe abanye abantu bebona ukuthi okay, umfowethu uzokwazi laphana ukuperforma kahle. But to be honest, abantu into abacomplain-a ngayo kakhulu, bathi o-coach bafethu ba-complain-a ngo-coach kakhulu ukuthi okay o-coach abekho right ukuthi ba-coach-e i-Chiefs and because of ngimenshina lento le ka-Dion, I also saw vele i-comment ethi ithini i-comment yakhona ithi kuyabonakala-ke if i-Chiefs ine-interest ku-Dion kusho ukuthi uManqoba Mnqithi kune-opportunity ukuthi uyeza next season. Sikhumbule ukuthi simele sikhumbuzane ukuthi i-Chiefs ine-approach noma ikhulumile noManqoba Mnqithi but izinto zakhona ziko-final. Maybe they were waiting for o-coach ukuthi bazokwenza kanjani this season and sikhumbule into ebaluleke kakhulu bafowethu ukuthi i-Chiefs njengoba if simlalele izolo, I think two days back, uKaizer Motaung Junior ukhulume ngokuthi bayi-brand enkulu bona ezi-Kaizer Chiefs, they wanna position themselves ku-global stage. Ku-global stage uManqoba Mnqithi kula angena khona because of on the continental level uyakwazi ukudeliver. Is a proven winner. Ulona u-coach abangakwazi ukurelaya kuye, u-coach abangamthemba ukuthi ku-continental level bangaya ngaye, u-coach lona obaluleke kakhulu owazi izinto ey'ningi. I mean from izinto ezincane ama-behavior nanokuthi mental ama-player meyo-compete ku-continental level kumele enze kanjani, not ukuthi a-react noma singekho isidingo sokuthi a-react. So u-coach ozokwazi ukumanage ama-emotions wama-player and then u-coach one-authority ozokwazi ukulida lama-players la. Khona ama-player-ke okunzima ukuthi uwalide bafowethu. Njalo mengikhuluma ukuthi abantu angisathandi ukumenshina lento le cause abantu bavele babone ngathi ngi-attack o-coach mengithi u-coach kanjani olida i-team but awunayo i-authority ulwa nama-player. Manqoba Mnqithi ngeke kuliwe naye laphana, it's either okwakhe or akusiwo okwakho. Siyazi ukuthi behind the scenes kuMamelodi Sundowns i-team bese-divided ngenxa yakhe because of abanye abantu they felt let down noma babengafuni ukucoachwa wuye. Sometimes ama-player ayaku-destroy but-ke moyi-coach but u-destroy ama-winning players, not ama-players angakaze awine something, angakaze ayilwela i-team kakhulu ukuthi ayilethele ama-trophies lesiya ayi-8 or awu-5. So that's where you get him ukuba more vocal as a player, but you need to win first in order to be vocal. So ku-Chiefs angakwazi ukubuilda ama-winners, angakwazi ukusebenzisa abafana abancane, uyakwazi ukubona yazi la muntu loya ukwazi ukubona ithalente thina bafethu singaliboni and alikhulisa. Even namanje lapha ku-Arrows ukhuluma ngokuthi amanye ama-player amele aye ku-overseas and umake sure ukuthi ubagruma kahle slowly but surely. Uyakwazi ukumanage i-group kahle nanokuthi ama-player akholelwe kuye. Umuntu uma umbhekele noma akhuluma uyasazi isitori sakhe bafethu, is a proven winner. Yeah, cela ukuyibamba lana okwamanje bafethu. Cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe making sure ukuthi i-page liyakhula. Because of yithi esizokwazi ukulikhulisa i-page, akekho omunye umuntu bafethu ozokwazi ukulikhulisa. Ngithemba nina, ngithemba bonke abantu ababukelayo, abasubscribe-ayo, abalike-ayo, abalishareayo. Ngiyabonga nje ukuthi i-presence yenu bafethu ukuba khona kuyasiza ukuthi silikhulise le page. Danko.